cruise Sunday, fun day, and we're gonna do a Bear Mountain run. So right now we're with a couple of Teggies, Accords, and some Audi, and we're also gonna meet up with a couple more cars when we get to Jersey. So today should be fun, and I'll try to get as much clip as I can and some rolling clips. So today should be fun. I think I would have said that, but yeah. So right now we are at Rockefeller View. So I'm going to show you a couple cars that we're running with, and we're waiting for a few more cars, I believe, and we're going to get rolling. Damn, look at that Ferrari. Right now we're stuck in traffic, so there's a major crash up ahead. So while you guys are driving, be careful guys, drive responsibly, do not speed. So that's just my advice. Drive responsibly. If you're gonna drive fast, be courteous and